Hi there. Here we have a very nice Lupo GTI 1.6. I think it's a 2005, might be 2006, but it'll be ULEZ compliant. Drives really well. It's done 123,000 kilometers, so I'll work that out and put it into miles. We've got a guy coming out to fully convert that, so it will be 40 miles, 3 miles per hour. We've got a UK set of clocks to go into it, so you're not reading in kilometres, but we can give you the kilometres ones as well if you want them. Very nice bodywork. I think it was a grade 4 or something like that when I bought it from Japan. It's one of the many cars I bought in Japan and had put on my to-do list. So we're gradually getting down them, but it's absolutely stunning car. Look at the bodywork on it. We only ever buy the good cars from Japan. We don't buy the grade R's or the grade 2s, 3s. We only want to buy the could buy junk anywhere, so you don't want to buy the good stuff. And these are getting very rare now. Now it's got the I photoed it. I think it's the Bilstein shock absorbers, some core springs. The rest of it's all pretty well original. That's the UK clocks that are going to be fitted to this. If you look, see they go up to miles per hour. The VW map there. We've had the got a Pioneer UK stereo fitted in there. It does DAB. I think you'll probably get sat nav on it if you pair it to your phone through a lead. So the spoiler's all nice. And on this side, we've fully serviced it, so it wants for nothing. Seats are all really good order. Heated rear screen. You've got your electric left and right mirrors. Stereo. That's still got the cover on, by the way. It's that plastic cover there. That's where the air bubbles are. Nice easy access. 4-seater. A nice black roof as well. With the stereo, you've got your USB, so imagine you can do your videos and sat nav through that. You've even got the Japanese flare, quite rare now. So lovely bodywork, absolutely beautiful. And because I imported it, I've got all the actual paperwork from Japan, the auction grading, the duty, all the duties and everything have been paid for in the UK, and I've got all the documentation that goes with the car to back all that up, as well as a clear car VX check, which is like a Japanese HPI. It's a 6-speed gearbox, manual obviously. That's one of the services. It's currently on 123,682 kilometres. I'm guessing that's about 70,000-80,000 miles, but I'll work that out properly. So any more information you want to know, I'll put what I can in the advert. Just give Wayne a call on 07970 701166. I'll happily explain what I can and tell you as much as I know about the car. So thank you for looking.